And then,
Par, dagana gud ani par. Urine ko ni be.
eto, as usual, basic sign
PR, ND.
for the liver.
Mm.
Okay. So, of course, P, park, R, reverse, neutral, drive.
Mm.
Ito naman, ang gamit nito, usually, if pababa tayo,
Mm.
since this is automatic, usually pag manual kasi, we will shift to low gear.
Mm.
So ito, since automatic to, you will switch this on in order for you to be safe pag pababa.
Mm. Pang kumbaga engine brake, parang ganon.
Engine brake to assist, hill assist kumbaga.
Mm.
This one is to be on para pag nag-reverse, may something, anything obstacle at the back, notify.
Mm.
Ito naman para sa traction control,
Mhm.
on and off. And this one for the radio. This is for the volume,
Mm.
up, down.
Mm.
For the aircon, heater,
Mm.
of course. For automatic brake, considered as handbrake for the manual.
Mm.
And this one para dun sa likod, para magbukas.
Mm.
Start stop, of course,
Mm.
for hazard.
Mm.
This one you cannot choose what to do or for the mode of your unit. You want pure EV or combination, it's EV.
Mm.
That is how simple.
So may engine pala to, hindi to pure.
This
Okay.
is FIB. FIB is plug-in hybrid.
Plug-in hybrid.
We have what we call the HIB in the market. HIB in the market is hybrid electric.
Bigol.
And we have the BIB. The BIB is battery electric vehicle, meaning no engine at all.
Mm.
But the HIB is only hybrid. So there's an engine, but you can plug it in when
Okay.
charging. Ang FIB, that is why called FIB, because P stands for plug-in. You can charge the unit through electricity or wall charger.
Okay.
That's it.
Yan na. Oh, BYD Shark.
CYD.
CYE.
CYE.
CYE, oh.
CYE, the competitors of BYD.
CYE. That's all.